fish. K is for kangaroo and is also
K is for
koala.
kangaroo.
L
K
is
is
for
for
lyra
koala.
bird. M
K
is
is
for
for
Murray cod.
koala.
N
K
is for
is for kiwi.
numbat. O is for
L is for
ornithorynchus.
lyra bird.
P is
M
for
is for
possum.
magpie.
Q is for
N is for
quokka. R is
numbat.
for rosella. S is for
O is
skink.
for osprey.
T is for Tasmanian devil.
Q is for quokka
U
and quail.
is for
R is for red
Ulysses
kangaroo.
butterfly.
S is for sugar glider. T is for Tasmanian devil. U is for Ulysses butterfly. V is for variegated fairy
Is for
rainbow. W
Victoria
is for
crown
wombat.
pigeon.
Y is for yellow-bellied
W
rock
is for
wallaby.
wombat.
Z is for zebra
X
fish.
is for Shenika butterfly. Is for yellow-bellied glider. Z is for Zitting cisticola.